then, we're here today with Ian Windy Woodward. Right then, Ian.
Yes.
Ask you a few questions about the car.
Okay, sir.
So, what exactly model is it?
This is the Mark II pre-face model,
Right.
manufactured 1980. So it is actually taxed as MOT exempt now.
So this is a pre-injection
It's the gear. It's got the carburetor.
carburetor, yeah. Automatic
Yeah, it's automatic.
and had factory air conditioning as
In
well.
a factory air conditioner, I've removed it.
Excellent. And what sort of interior we got on it?
It's the velour.
Velour?
The velour. On what?
Let's have a look. Oh, chocolate brown velour.
Converted to a manual choke, which I put on the dashboard.
Manual choke. Oh yeah.
Uh,
Yeah, that's a good idea.
And it has got my CD player in because all my music CD. So it's
Some concessions to modernism then.
yeah.
And how much room have we got in the back?
It's a room at the back. Full of junk at the moment.
Loads and loads of leg room. And you can see how much you can hold in the boot. And a lot of our equipment still in there.
I keep seeing this emblem popping up everywhere though, but I don't understand who it is.
I know that Union Jack appears everywhere. Doesn't
Yeah. So,
it? Right then, Ian. So you've had the car 2 years coming up.
2 years yet.
So what work have you had to do on it since you bought it?
Mainly body work.
Yeah.
However, the rear springs were very, very soft, so I've had some industrial springs made, not just to carry more weight, but when I stick the caravan on the back, it actually stays where it should stay.
Heavy duty rear springs then. Yeah, you can see it's sitting at a nice ride height.
Yeah, but the front wheel bearings, it's had tyres all round, obviously, because I don't know how the old tyres was. But the main shock was the bodywork.
Yeah.
We've got quite a bit of rot on it.
What's on an old Ford? I can't believe that.
It's rare, but it was there. Yeah, the back wheel arch had gone, the sill, the inner sill, and it had actually been filled. I know Ford do use an expanding foam.
Right.
This were a bit OTT, and it had been under-sealed over, so it had been filled.
I don't think Ford's under sealed over
No.
expanding foam from the factory, that's for sure.
Not at all.
Well, you've done a fantastic job on it, mate.
You can't see it, it's the other side, but it's all been cut out, it's all fresh metal, and the bottom of the tailgate was metal as well.
Wonderful. And most important question of all, do you love it?
Oh, I love it to bits, yeah.
Marvellous.
Yeah.
Cheers, matey.
Thank you very much, sir.